Hi, I'm Dr. MD Majid Pasha, pulmonologist at Fortis Hospital, Nagarbavi. Today I'm going to talk about importance of COVID-19 vaccination. Everyone should take the vaccine as soon as their schedule comes, as soon as they get the opportunity to take the vaccine as earliest. As our experience says that we have treated more than thousands of patients, in which we have seen patients who were admitted and had taken 2 doses of vaccine had less severity of the disease. Even many were not required admission, and those who required admission did not require ICU, or mortality or the death were less. Precautions to be taken before vaccination and after vaccination, there is as such there is no particular precautions. The only thing is person should not have fever or acute illness of any disease. If any acute illness is there, fever is there, then the vaccination can be postponed for a week or two by advice of the physician. And after taking vaccination, certain people can get minimal side effects, for which a simple paracetamol can be taken, or for the injection site pain, paracetamol will help, or ice pack can be applied. COVID-19 vaccines are approved by a proper authentic government body, Ministry of Health, Drug Regulator of India. So all the vaccine approved by government are safe, whether it is Covishield, Covaxin or Sputnik. As such, there is no severe adverse effect. There can be a minimal adverse effect like fever, cough, body ache, injection site pain, that can be taken off by taking simple paracetamol. So there is nothing to worry about safety of the vaccine. All can go ahead and take the vaccine. There is no such which is best vaccine, which is good vaccine. All the vaccine which are approved by Government of India, it has gone through a very thorough regulatory approval, and all the vaccines are safe. And the best vaccine which you have to take is whichever is available earliest and nearest. Everyone should take the vaccine. As such, there is no absolute contraindication for taking the COVID-19 vaccination. As such, previously it was thought that pregnant women should not take vaccine, or lactating women should not take the vaccine, but now a few of the countries are already have approved vaccination for pregnant women also. And on the 25th June, Government of India, Ministry of Health has told and has given guidelines that even the pregnant women can take the vaccine, because the severity of COVID-19 illness is more in pregnant women, and definitely it will be helpful for even in pregnancy if we take the vaccine. Other thing is absolute contraindication. If somebody is having fever, acute illness of any of the disease, should not take the vaccine. They can wait for 1 or 2 weeks. And those patients who had recent MI, heart attack, or any of the acute illness for which they were hospitalized, should wait for their turn for at least 1 or 2 weeks.